The DJI Mini SE drone quadcopter is exceptionally lightweight, weighing less than 249 grams, making it easy to carry and fly without needing registration in many regions. With an impressive flight time of up to 30 minutes, this drone allows for extended periods of aerial photography and videography, ideal for capturing unforgettable moments. Equipped with a 12-megapixel camera and a 3-axis motorized gimbal, the Mini SE delivers high-definition videos and smooth, stable footage for both beginners and experienced users. Its enhanced wind resistance enables stable flight even in windy conditions, ensuring reliable performance and steady shots in various environments. The drone's intuitive DJI Fly app provides user-friendly controls and creative templates, making it simple for anyone to produce captivating videos with minimal effort. A dedicated remote controller with a long-range HD video feed allows you to explore and capture stunning views from up to 4,000 meters away.